Hi yogis, Coach Brianna here. Today we're gonna do just a gentle neck and upper body stretch. So I want you to sit in an easy seat, sit up nice and tall, close down the eyes, and start to take a couple deep breaths in and out through your nose. Deep inhale, long slow exhale. One more time, deep breath in, long slow exhale out. You're gonna start to drop your chin to your chest, right ear to right shoulder. Let the head roll back, and then left ear to left shoulder. And again, drop your chin to your chest, right ear to right shoulder. Let the head roll back nice and slow, and then left ear to left shoulder. When your chin gets to your chest, I want you to slow down and reverse directions, taking left ear to left shoulder, letting the head roll back, right ear to right shoulder, chin to chest. One more circle here, going nice and slow. And when your chin gets to your chest, go ahead and take your hands together, clasping them, and bring them behind your head, keeping that chin to chest. Let your hands rest on the back of your head and let gravity do the work here. Stretching out the back of that neck just a little bit deeper. Remembering to breathe here. Nice deep inhales and long slow exhales. And we'll slowly lift the head, removing our hands, finding that nice easy seat. Go ahead and bring your right hand to the mat and then reach up and over, pressing that left hip down into the ground, rotating your chest and gazing up if it feels okay on your neck. Feel that side body stretch here. And then rise back up to an easy seat. Plant your left hand and reach up and over, planting that right hip. Take some long, slow inhales here. One more deep breath here. And then we're gently gonna rise back up. In that easy seat, sit up nice and tall for a twist, bringing your left hand to the right knee and reaching behind you, turning to look over that right shoulder. Remember to keep breathing here, following that breath into the nose and back out through the nose. Gently return to center here. Sit up nice and tall, resetting the spine. And then right hand to left knee. Left hand reaches behind you. And you turn to look over that left shoulder. Try to relax your lower body here. Letting the knees fall down to the mat. Relaxing the eyes, the jaw. Take another long, slow inhale, long, slow exhale, and then you can gently start to return to center, untwisting. Start to bring the right ear down towards the right shoulder, and you can place the right hand gently near the top of the head, but don't pull or yank, just let gravity do the work here. Take another relaxing breath in and out through the nose, and then gently rise back up. We'll bring left ear to left shoulder. And if you want the extra weight, go ahead and bring the left hand to the top of the head and let gravity do the work. Relaxing around the eyes and around the spine. Relaxing your hips. Take one more deep breath here and then gently rise back up. All right, yogis, that was our 5-minute neck and upper body stretch. I hope to see you again soon.